This will be a tour of my backyard garden and a little of Snickers. There's a tomato plant that's got flowers on it, rosemary, and on my ledge are begonia and marigold plants. I love looking out my kitchen window and seeing them. And now we're going to walk down the steps into the yard, and there's Snickers. What you doing, Snickers? Where's your ball? Let's find your ball. There's more tomatoes. Those are larger ones. And I have some Roman tomatoes and cherry tomatoes plants. And then there's the box with all my lettuce. And Snickers is getting the ball. And he will fetch it this time, but not a second time. Get it, Snickers. Get your ball. Go get it. Run, Snickers, run. Good boy. Bring it back. Run, Snickers, run. Ah, my strawberries. Looks like there's some nice red ones. I need to pick some of those. Yeah, don't pick the green ones. Pick the red ones. Digging underneath the leaves. Oh, there's quite a few. I'm going to get a good handful of the strawberries. Here are my radishes and sweet peas. Some of them are drooping. I'm going to have to have Ernie come and help me put some string up. This is my squash plants. There's 3 of them. I think I planted 6. Some marigolds. And over here was supposed to be corn, but nothing has come up. May have to replant those. Back to the squash. And over the last one was supposed to be sweet potatoes, but nothing has come up. I've asked Ernie to help me string some rope up so that the peas will have something to climb on. I'm picking some radishes. I'm culling out some of them that are starting to bloom. Don't want those. Those are the ones that were blooming. Now I'm going to pick out some nice sized radishes with some fresh greens for our salad tonight. Well, hope you liked the video. I was able to practice techniques like slow motion, voiceover, adding more music. Okay, thanks for watching. Stay crafty.